Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the background color and the candle color in Tradingview. In order to do so, first off you want to make sure that you're signed up and logged in at tradingview.com. And then from here you're going to find the settings icon up at the top right hand corner. And if you click that, then here you're going to see that you have a few options. If you select symbol, then this is where you can change your candle colors. Right now it's set to green and red, but if we want to change that, we could just click that and select any color we wish, and you'll see that that is changed there. We'll do the same thing here. And there you go. You can change your candle colors just like that. If you want to change the background, then you want to go to Canvas. And here you want to, where it says background, you're going to select either of the colors here. And we have a gradient set up, so right now it's set to yellow. We'll just go ahead and turn that to green. And then we'll set this one to yellow. And then you've got a nice gradient there from green to yellow. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.